Do you want to share Instagram notes with close friends? You can show Insta Note to close friends only with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share Instagram notes with close friends only. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to the Messages section by tapping the message icon. At the top of the screen, tap on your note or what's new to create a new note. Now, type your note message in the text box. At the bottom of the screen, you will see Share with options. Tap on it to change your privacy settings for notes. A pop-up will appear. Select Close Friends from here. Once selected, tap Share to post your note. Your Instagram note will now be visible only to the people added to your close friends list.